'Tis the season for food truck fun. The Southshore Food Truck Association returns with Food Truck Thursday on April 18th. Come wheel and meal your way through a plethora of food trucks at the Hilltop Athletic Association in Kingston from 4:30 to 8 p.m. Bring the whole family. There will be something to please every palate, as well as live music you're sure to enjoy very much every week. Hilltop Athletic Association is located at 65 Pottle Street in Kingston.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button before you go. We'll see you next time.